Today we are going to see Pheonix, the learning Java companion. Here you see a roadmap. You can see all the topics over here. You can go around the topics. We have our pets hanging in here. They are companions who will guide you along the app. We also have a section where then we go to Blackbox. Blackbox is basically for internals for Java, and also it will also help you to see the Linux commands as well. If you see, and if you double click on root, you have a terminal open here, and you can practice over here any of the Linux commands. Then we move on to errors. Errors are basically for you to analyze what all errors that exist, and you can also, and it will help you eradicate those errors if you know the concept of them. And then we move on to goals. Goals are basically your milestone progress logs. So what are the course or lessons to complete? You can track them over here. Then a tracker, you can add things over here, and like you can add things over here, you can delete things, and you can track them to dates as well. Every time you complete a lesson, a gem increases, and when you store 5 or 6 more gems, the read changes. You can also track records or notes. So when you go to theory on roadmap, there also you can add over there's a streak. There we have MS Paint for ideation purposes. This is pixel art maker. You can always make yourself at home. Then we have flashcards. They are system generated flashcards. So basically they are like this. Not to make noise. Okay. Then we have other resources as well. You can also make mind maps over here. You can also set them to private or public for other people to access them as well. And then we have arcade section. Arcade section is basically your games. You have 3 kinds of games. Then we have summarizer. Summarizer is if you put anything over here, it will summarize it. And if you turn them to Q&A, you can edit it. You can edit it as a flashcard. You can make flashcards out of it. So like if you create it, or you can if you create it, it will be here. You can edit it or delete it, or you can also make them available for other people to view. Then we have another thing that is a knowledge chat. You can put your HTTP. So like you can put URLs, or you can put your content, or a very big documentation over here, and you can chat with it. Then we come to our Oracle. This is powered by Gemini 3.0. Straight from there, you can ask anything, literally anything to it. And then ROG, light mode and dark mode, everything over here. And the courses look like a little bit. So here, this is the basic idea of it. You can here see the theory, this practice page. Now we have labs. You can read the mission. You have all the test cases. You have autocomplete as well. You can turn it off or turn it on. You can also peek to the solution. So, and then you can compile it. Exam is basically this. Then you get certified and you can move on to another